Hi guys and good morning. So we are just making some breakfast this morning, something simple and very minimal for me and my son. We have a full day ahead of us. So I had some sausage, some waffles, and this is just stuff we got in the refrigerator that we can use up so I can restock. We have eggs here. And I only really had 3 eggs left, so we used those up. Inside my eggs, I'm just going to use my favorite season, Louisiana Cajun season, and some Kobe Jack cheese. Of course, some butter. Y'all already know butter makes everything better. And then also, I thought about making a strawberry parfait with yogurt. So yeah, that's our morning. Spending time with my two guys. Kiddo, baby, kiddo, baby. Woo! Okay, guys, so tonight we're just having fries, some chicken strips that I let marinate, and I'm gonna get to how I marinate and all that good stuff in just a second. And then we're gonna have some just the sweet kernel corn in the can. Make sure you wash the corn, like any vegetable that come out of can, wash it. But like I say, if you're on a budget like me, canned food is the best food. I know frozen food is good too as well, but it's all the same. The canned food, all they do at the manufacturer is take it out the can, or before it hit the can, it's just like regular vegetables. It come the same way, but it's just canned form. And you take it out the can, wash it really good, put your seasonings, and then you can put it in the in a Ziploc bag, put it in the freezer, and you got frozen vegetables. The same thing. So don't be scared to try that method, because it's actually a good method. Let's just say you had something to do or appointment, you had to take the kids somewhere, and hubby or boyfriend was at the house and you need to cook. You normally have your routine of cooking before hubby or kids get home. Well, hubby's home today. He could just take out the frozen corn that you made, whatever chicken or meat that you made or marinated in and left it in the refrigerator, and he can just throw it in the oven and boil the corn just like regular corn, corn on the cob or regular canned corn. And you get back home, you probably don't have nothing to do but make cornbread or a couple of sides, and you good. So it's just a good example of just having this stuff, whether it's frozen, already frozen, or it's in the can, you still can make it work. Struggle meals, okay? But anyways, for the chicken, let's get back to that, because I know my oil is burning too as well. But for my chicken, I got some of the buttermilk from Walmart. I don't know if you guys, let's see where it's at. Okay, so yeah, this is it. I got some buttermilk from Walmart, and this is just the 1% milk fat one. And I felt you're supposed to season your chicken and stuff before you put it in the buttermilk. And I did that. So I seasoned my chicken strips with, because I was trying to make the Walmart chicken strips, and it looks just like it with the pepper and stuff on it. So I used my good old salt and pepper, and this is just the grinded salt and the grinded sea salt and grinded pepper in there. I put some garlic powder. I put some ground cayenne red pepper. I put some onion powder, and then I put my favorite Louisiana Cajun seasoning, and then we're just using some good old olive oil to fry our chicken strips. We haven't had like fried foods, but I've been baking like baked chicken and stuff like that, so I just want to have like a little fried foods tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these chicken strips, these 4, on in the pan real quick. Actually, I need to move this because I'm gonna sit it over here. Don't worry, y'all, I didn't have it on, but inside of my corn, I like to put like seasoning. So we just have that ground black pepper, and then that ground salt. Then we have some butter, because y'all know everything go good with butter. I'm from Texas, baby. I love me some butter, okay? And then I have a little bit of water in there. You can put like chicken stock for flavor, chicken bouillon as well for flavor. But I would definitely use the vegetable bouillon since we have corn. That'll be really, really good. So we're going to go ahead and put this chicken in this oil. Hopefully it's not too hot. Y'all, I don't like touching raw meat at all. I'm gonna go ahead and fry this up. What I got the stove on right now is medium. Ugh, I had to touch it for that. And so when you season your meat, also season your flour. You can season it a light coat, or you can season it how you like to season it. We like to have a little flavor around here, so I go in with the season. And for my chicken, all I do is just kind of mix it in. Those 4 pieces was left in the refrigerator. These other 4, or however many left, is not going to be left in the refrigerator. It's going to be put right on the frying pan. But it will chill out while those are frying. When I tell y'all I don't like touching this type of meat, Not even this type of meat, but I don't like touching raw meat, period. So I always try to find like other methods so I won't have to touch it. I didn't y'all, look here, I've been wanting to go to Dollar Tree for a while now, like for real, y'all. I've been wanting, like, it's my addiction, but we're trying to budget and save and stuff like that. And also I want to get my nails done, so in February I'm gonna do all that. We're gonna shop, not until we drive, but we're gonna shop. And we have a certain amount that we're gonna shop with, so I cannot wait. Look at that flour, that pepper, brown pepper in there. It's really showing up and showing out. I think that they're gonna look pretty much like the chicken strips, but a little bit more better. Because those chicken strips are red, that they have everything except these don't have the breading. I don't like that. I don't like breading. But for the most part, those are really good. Like with their breading and stuff, it's really good. And when I tell y'all to flour that chicken, you better flour that baby. Like, get that baby up in there. Woo. Me and my friend, we my sis, we are cooking together tonight, so I need to get this stuff done. And well, actually, while I'm doing this, take that chicken, we can make it work. I'm actually trying to get her to start her own YouTube channel too as well, but she says she don't want to show her face. I said, that's good. That's you don't have to show your face on YouTube. You can just let, tell people your story and just let people know, hey, I'm nervous. You can also go the route of your thumbnails, putting your face on the thumbnails, and people will automatically know who you are. But at some point, you know what I mean? Like, you're going to have to show yourself. But she likes to cook and shop and stuff, and I told her you can do hauls and stuff. She's about like me. We're both like minimal anxiety people, can't stand a lot of things, you know what I mean? Like, we was made for each other. Like, me and my best friend, like, I cannot wait to like the summer, because I'm gonna go up there for like a week, y'all. We're supposed to be hanging out and stuff, so but yeah, I'm gonna let these chicken strips chill out, and then I'm gonna come right back and share with you guys what they look like and all that. Actually, we can look at them now. No, we can't. Let's see. Let's see what they got going. Yeah, we can look at them now. It looks so pretty. I like my chicken, of course, golden brown. But they look so nice, y'all. They are looking like the Walmart chicken. I'm so shook. Like, for real. Look at it. I am so shook. But yeah, I'm gonna cook all these chicken. Right there is so pretty, just to do like little editing, my editing.